Now let's look at a worked out example for the revenue model. So here we have a hotel that has 150 rooms, and the hotel charges $180 per night, and at that price the average occupancy is 100 rooms. So the variable cost of operating the hotel averages to $25 per occupied room. Okay, so that's your current situation. So current pricing model is price is $180 per night. So occupancy at that rate is 100 rooms per night. So revenue is 100 rooms times $180 will give us $18,000 coming in. The variable cost is $25 per occupied room. So the total variable cost is $25 and 100 rooms occupied. So that will be $2,500. So the net revenue, net of variable cost, is 18,000 minus 2,500 is $15,500 per night. This is the current pricing model. Now we want to try a different pricing model and see whether we can increase the net revenue. Now let's look at the proposed pricing model. So proposed pricing model. Yeah. So we have the hotel which is the yield revenue approach with 3 pricing points. So rooms reserved 1 week in advance. So 1 week in advance. Price is $1.40 per night. So that is $140 per night. So $140, and at that price we expect the occupancy to be 60. So you are expecting at that price so for $140 price you expect 60 people will reserve the room. So occupancy, expected occupancy is 60. So revenue from that is 60 times 140 gives you $8,400 revenue. Now the second pricing point is $200, that is no advance booking. So no advance booking, then you're going to charge a price of $200, and at that rate you expect the occupancy to be 30 rooms. So 30 rooms at $200 gives you $6,000. Now the web only pricing, okay, is $120 per night, and you are expecting 40 rooms to be booked on web only basis. So that revenue from web only is $4,800. So total gross revenue is $19,200 per night. And we will have 130 rooms occupied on that basis. So total variable cost here is 130 rooms at $25 per occupied room will give you $3,250 as the total variable cost. So the net revenue is 19,200 minus 3,250 will give you 15,900 per night. So additional net revenue with the new pricing model, okay, is what? 15,900 minus 15,500 is $400 per night. Now, with all this trouble and these occupancy rates being our estimates, whether this $400 a night of additional net revenue is worthwhile or not, that's a different question. But if we can somehow adjust, decrease the variable cost, or if we can find a different combination of price points that will increase the revenue, and maybe that's what you have to do. You need to do some more analysis and see whether you can get to a price point scheme or levels of price points that will increase the per night net revenue.